Hey there, how are we all doing today? Well, today I'm doing pretty good. We've got ourselves something special. You can tell by this unique shaped box. And we're looking at limited edition Seiko Presage. And the Presage is SPB085. Now this is a rather cool looking box. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So the thing about Seiko is they don't really focus on box presentation too much, so it's nice to get ourselves a little treat here with this special limited edition wood box. You can check out the grain there, really nice, very clean and simple. Now this is going to be a really cool watch to take a look at. This watch is a limited edition to 2,000 watches worldwide, and it's a little bit on the pricier side of the Presage watches, but let's take a look at it. This watch is really nice. With the watch, when they made up this watch, they were inspired by the moon right at dawn. You know, right before the moon starts going away, you start going into daytime, and of course Seiko would come up with a beautiful poetry like that for one of their watches. And you can see there on the second hand the little crescent moon, and the crescent power indicator on the side helps continue the theming of the watch. And there you go, it's got a special lacquer on top. This watch is all about the face, and it takes craftsmen's years of training and then hours to make a face like this. It's a very complicated technique, and Seiko makes a great video about it, and I'm going to try to put it in the video description below, so take a look, guys. So this watch is all about the lacquer techniques on the dial of the watch, and the watch's given name is based on those lacquer techniques. It's the Urushi Byakudan-Nuri. Now the Urushi lacquering is used for samurai warriors, their armor. You also find it in temples and stuff. It's very, very prestigious. So the crescent gold you see on the face there, that's the power reserve indicator, and if you wind it, it's kind of really fun to do. I like doing it. You can see there it was on 0, and I'm slowly heading away up to 10 hours there, and just you can see a simple flick of the finger there, and we're probably about maybe 15 hours there. The really cool feature with this Presage in particular. And this model boasts a 6R movement. So yes, the movement in it is a 6R 21 caliber, and on the dial there you can see besides the power reserve, the bottom dial is actually the date of the month, and then right there next to the 3 o'clock, that dial is for the day of the week. So really cool way to display it. Looks real classy. A great dress watch if you look at it. I also like the thickness of this watch. Some of the other Presages feel a little thicker, but with the complications of this movement, with the extra dials, I think it's a good size. This watch is a dress watch all the way, and it's got a water resistant ranking of 100 meters. So guys, don't take this diving. Who would want to take such a beautiful watch diving? That's not what it's for. You can see it here on my wrist. I've got about a 7.5 inch wrist, and the fit is good. It doesn't look too small, doesn't look too big, and it would fit under a suit nicely. You can see another glimpse of that beautiful lacquer dial. The watch has a sapphire crystal as well. And thank you guys, and if you get a chance, please subscribe. Thanks, have a good one.